V-Man1313 and welcome to today's ride. Today is kind of a twofold, I guess. I started, if you haven't checked out my little V-Man1313 page, I created a page where just to post stuff, pictures and stuff, so I don't bother my family too much with too many of my adventure pictures. And but it was the wrong kind of page. I made it a person page, like a page, and I needed a group page in order to share videos, or share, not videos, but share GPX files or share things. A few little things that I wanted to do that I couldn't do with my first page. So I created that second page, group page, and it works a whole lot better. And I'm able to do the things I want to do. So pretty soon I'm going to be posting up the Georgia Adventure Trail and then another one to follow, and I'll keep doing that, and I'm excited about that. One of the other ideas that I had for that page is just for me riding and to meet new people. It's something that I call last minute rides. And so, and I know this isn't going to be something that's going to happen a whole lot as far as how many people can actually come join me to do it. Because, you know, how many people really can just come out and ride last minute on a weekday or whatever. But I used to play a whole ton of golf, and there was a web page called Last Minute Tee Times. Golf now took it over, but it was called Last Minute Tee Times. And you could get tee times at golf courses for real cheap the night before, the day before. So they only popped up the day before, and I like riding on that thing. And you get some cheap rides, or cheap rides, cheap tee times. And so I used to love that page in the summer when I'm off and I had no commitments, nowhere to be, nowhere to do, nothing to do, and I would just play golf for $10, $15, $20 for real expensive places. I'd pay $20 so I could go out and play 2 or 3 times a week for what normally was, you know, what normally would cost you once a week. So I thought about doing this last minute rides, and today's the first one. This is the very first one I'm doing. Nobody showed up. I didn't expect them to, and probably 90% of the time nobody will show up or can show up. But maybe one day somebody like me might find it and be like, oh man, I can do that. And you know, most likely will be a retired old fart like me. Actually, I'm not retired, but I'm an old fart. Somebody that, or a teacher or something. Anyway, so I'm out riding. But since nobody came, which is fine, I decided to do my XploRiing that I like to do. Look at this, now it turns beautiful. And so I'm gonna go check out, I wanna say I have 5, 6, let me throw a picture of it up in the screen there. I got 6, is it 5 or 6 little arrows, spots of places I want to go check out that I've either seen on Google Maps, on Google Earth, I've seen on various places, have been wanting to check out. So that's what I'm gonna do, and knock these out on the way back home. So I'm already headed home. It's just that I'm gonna try to check out these places as I'm going. So hope you enjoy, hope you tag along. Let's see what we can find. I'm already in this beautiful area right here. This is a real pretty place. It just doesn't have a lot of riding. First arrow. And closed. Alright, second arrow there, also closed. Let's see what this is. I think it's just a little quick parking spot here. Alaska Trails parking. Mountain biking and hiking. Very cool. And this is what we're doing today, just checking out little offshoots. So, little offshoot I go. Make sure nobody's hiking or camping in here. Nice little camping spot, maybe. A little road closed slide down here. Pretty nice little camping spot. I really like this camping spot. So we've gone 0 for 2, but I have found 2 good camping, or 1 really good camping spot. This one's really nice. Alright, found 2 camping spots, 1 really good one, 1 okay one, and 0 for 2 with the roads. At least this dirt road was kind of open. People live here. I don't know where it goes. I kind of just wanted to see how far it'll take us. Oh, this is nice though. I don't think it has an outlet, but it didn't say dead end, but I don't think it goes anywhere. It seemed like this one had a nice trail off of it for hiking. That was part of the reason for this one, to come explore it. Find some new places for the Wiz and I to come out and enjoy. It's a cool place down there. We'll go check it out when we come back. Actually, no, we'll go check it out right now. And it says no camping here. Spot. Too bad you can't camp here. This would be really nice to bring the kayaks, shadowboard, camp here for a couple nights, spend a whole day out there just enjoying. Alright, well that was actually a really good find there. So arrow number 3 was a score. Found some hiking trails, found a camping spot, found a day use area. Yeah, this was good. All right, let's head on over to the 4th arrow and see if it's open or not today. one of my, let's see, this is the fourth one, fifth one. 1, 2, 3, this is the fourth and fifth arrows that I'm doing today. Never been on this road.